Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Tracy's Destash group on Facebook. It's just a small order, and I kind of already looked through it, but then she sent some goodies that I didn't order, so I wanted to show you those too. So let's see what's going on. So here's the extras that she sent, but I wanted to show you everything else I got. So this is called a prayer box. I don't know if she has any more, but I just thought it was really cool. I think it was, let me see if it's got, it just says copper plated prayer box. So I think it's pretty awesome. You string it that way. You could put beads in the middle. Can't remember. I don't know how you open it though. I didn't really check that out. I don't know if you can open it. Let's see. Is it from this side? Oh, there you go. And then you just stick your prayer inside or your keepsake and you're ready to go. I think this would be fantastic as is, or you could use some liver of sulfur to tone it down, or you can patina it or paint it, whatever you want to do. But I thought it was really cool. Very beautiful. Next we have an Abalone pendant in the shape of a heart. This was $2.25. It's super shiny. I love it. It's so cute. It has a bail on it, but I could always take that off if I wanted to do something else with it, and it's mother of pearl on the back. We have some leopard skin Jasper Zuni bears, and I think these were 65 cents each. I asked her for some that had more yellow than others, so I'm very pleased with the ones she chose for me. I don't have a lot of leopard skin Jasper. Thought those were super cute. This is a little thank you little package she sent. So she's got some of those glass mermaid tails that were in those Jessie James beads mixes. That's not where she got them, I don't think, but I think they're really cute. And then some little Eiffel Towers. Aren't those cute? Love those. And then we have some magnetic clasps, and I don't know what metal they are. I don't know if they're silver, like plated brass. I don't know if they're just silver plated, but they're really nice, and they look like old. They would work with a lot of my African stuff and a lot of my Tibetan stuff. So I think those are fantastic. And then some cloisonne spacer beads, 3 of them. And each side is different. So they have some green on that side, and then, or they both have green sides, but one side is like a star and one side's like a flower. And I thought those were really gorgeous. They would be probably more focal than spacer to me. And then last but not least are some Shiva Hearts, so some shell hearts. And usually these are this shape and this material are super expensive, so I think I got a really good deal on them. I think they were $2.25 each, and I just feel like the bead store by me, these don't have a hole, so I would have to wire wrap them, but the bead store by me sells like hearts like not even half this size, and they're like $10 so each. So I just thought this was a great deal. These are so super cute, and I love them. One I'll probably just display in my house. Actually, that's a really great idea. And then one I will probably wire wrap. Okay, so I want to go through what's in this little baggie. In her note, she said she had some old Czech glass beads from a friend who owned a store years ago. These are from them, and they're fairly old, so I wanted to see what she sent. My goodness, there's a bunch in here. So I'm going to get my bead max. It's kind of hard to see on that background. Let's see, what do we have? So these look like really old, like red pony beads. They're glass. Those are nice. They definitely seem pretty old. I like those. Those would go really well with some African glass. These are cute. They're like lampwork parrots. Or parakeets, or their wings. I know it's a bird, but their wings kind of look like corn. Just things that pop up in my head for no reason. But these are super cute. Aw, those are so adorable. And they actually go sideways, so they would probably look better on a necklace than earrings. We have some more red beads. Let's see what shape this is. They're two little tiny flowers. They're little tiny flower spacers. Those are wonderful. I really like those. And then looks like we have the same flowers in purple. These are actually, they're a little different, and they're very, they just seem really delicate. I really love those. Wow. I wonder how old these are because they seem really old. And then, oh, we have some faceted barrels in a cobalt blue. Ooh, I don't know if you can see those. I don't know if you can tell this is cobalt, but it looks kind of black in the mirror. Oh, they're in the viewfinder to me, but there you go. You can kind of see some cobalt there. These are gorgeous. I'd want those to be the focal on something. We have some leaves. Ooh. So they're like a smoky blue gray with like a copper metal on one side. Those are really nice. Thank you, Tracy. And then we have some clear faceted. I don't know what shape that is. It's almost like a barrel, but these are gorgeous. Those are really clear, really well, like very nice sharp facets on those. Then we have some milk glass or opalite. Same shape. Very cool. Love those. Next we have some purple, like rice shaped beads. Very nice. And we have all little stars. These are super cute. They're like a pale sage green and then with an AB on one side. These are so adorable. Those are stinking cute. I love those. So cute. Thank you, Tracy. And then, oh my goodness, there's so much. And then we have some discs, some saucers in that purple again. I love them. And we have some little drucks with an AB, so like an opalite again with the AB. And then we have some more blue, and these are like the, I don't know what this shape is called. I always think they look kind of like bugle beads, but they're not because they're fatter and shorter. But that's a really cool blue. And then we have some red fire polish. Those are nice with a nice AB on them. Very cool. Like a nice cherry red too. And ooh, I love these. I use these in those earrings that I made in Sam's unboxing for July, but these are green. I love them. They're like offset drilled. Very cool. Love that color. Then we have some green crystal rondelles. Gorgeous with an AB on there. And then, ooh, what are these? Oh, they're little like coins. One side silver and one is like an awesome blue purple. Those would go with my new favorite crystals with that black purple. Those would look really nice with it, with those. And then we have some more fire polish beads. These almost look like hematite. Got like a silvery black finish on them. They look great though. Those are great. And then last but not least, we have some celestial beads, and it looks like it's two different colors. So we have dark green, and actually there's three different colors. So it's like a mix, a nice green mix. So we have this nice like Kelly green. And then we have a darker green. It's almost black. I wonder if this one is black, actually. Look it up. This one's black. These ones are black. And then we have a lighter green. So 3 different colors. Thank you. Those are fantastic. These are some of my favorite beads. I love anything with moons and stars on them. I'm super happy with my order. Thank you for all the extras, Tracy. I really appreciate it. I think my favorites are these beads and then the Shiva Hearts. Oh my gosh, they just make me so happy. One is gonna go on my bookcase, I think. Oh, I don't know which one I want to wire wrap and which one I want to go on the bookcase. Probably wire wrap this one, put this one on the bookcase. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hello, I don't know if you guys remember we were doing a giveaway for 7,000 subscribers, which, hello, we just hit 7,500. I can't believe we're about to have to do another giveaway soon. I'm so excited. I still haven't done the live. I'm going to insert the winner here. Congratulations to Cindy. She's already claimed her prize. I'm really excited that she won, and I hope everybody who entered, next time we have another giveaway, that you'll enter that time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.